I bought two non-running jet skis. One had the engine already disassembled. Both of the hulls were in pretty rough shape. The trailer had a lot of surface rust, but overall was in great shape. Upon inspecting the engine that was disassembled, I found that it had a bent connecting rod and an exhaust manifold had a hole in it. To begin the rebuild on the engine that was disassembled, I bought a new crank from SBT. I made a tool to be able to remove the coupler without damaging it using some extra sockets I had laying around. Once I had everything cleaned up, I assembled a long block and got it ready to go into the jet ski. I built a stand to be able to work on the jet ski and move it around the shop. I found a new hull on Facebook Marketplace that was in much better shape. Then I installed the rebuilt motor into the new hull. Then I turned my attention to the double trailer. I sanded down all of the rust. I primered everything. I built new bunks and added carpet onto the new bunks. I packed all the wheel bearings. And once it was all done, I traded it for a galvanized trailer for the future mini jet build. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.